How to allow Capcut to access photos on iPhone. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to allow Capcut to access photos on your iPhone. The first step is to open the Settings application of your iPhone, just like you can see here. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down slowly until you reach the list of all the applications installed on your phone. From this list, look for the Capcut application and tap on it. When you open the Capcut settings, you will land on a page named Allow Capcut to Access. On this page, you will see a list of all the permissions that Capcut may require in order to function correctly, such as access to photos, camera, microphone, and notifications. Since our goal is to allow access to photos, tap on the option named Photos. After tapping on it, you will be taken to another page that provides 3 different options you can choose from. These options are None, Limited Access, and Full Access. If you choose None, Capcut will not be able to access any of your photos, meaning you won't be able to edit or use any photos stored on your device. If you choose Limited Access, then Capcut will only be able to access the specific photos or albums that you select manually, which is useful if you want more privacy. Finally, if you select Full Access, Capcut will have complete access to all your photos, making it easier to import and edit any photo in your gallery without restrictions. Depending on your preference, choose either Limited Access or Full Access by tapping on it. Once you have made your choice, Capcut will now be able to access your photos as per your selection, and you will not face any issues when trying to import pictures into your projects. The process is very simple and straightforward. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to allow Capcut to access photos on iPhone.